I can't believe my rent is going up. This will completely throw off my budget.
What's happened, Alia? You look like you just seen a ghost.
No, Miss Thompson just sent me a notice saying that my rent is increasing by 15% next month. I thought I had everything under control.
Don't worry, we can just break it up with some algebra and percentages.
Okay, it's 1,200 ringgit a month, but what's the 15% of that?
First, let's convert the 15% into the decimal. So, 15% into the decimal is 0.15. Now, we multiply 0.15 with 1,200 ringgit. So, 1,200 ringgit multiplied with 0.15 is equal to 180 ringgit.
So my new rent will be 1,380 ringgit. Oh my god, I don't think I can afford that. My monthly budget is already tight.
Can we take a look about your expenses, how much you spend on your transportation and grocery? Maybe we can reduce from that.
I spend around 400 ringgit on groceries and 200 ringgit on transportation. That leaves me with some room, but not that much.
What if we find a way to reduce your grocery expenses by 10%? That would save you 40 ringgit.
Okay, and I could also look into using public transportation more to save another 30 ringgit.
Awesome! Let's calculate your total saving. So that's 70 ringgit into savings, which bring your new monthly total to 1,310 ringgit. You are still over the budget, but it's a step in the right direction.
I see. Now that managing my budget isn't just about the number, it's about making smart choices.
Exactly, and don't forget to keep track your expenses so you can see where to save more.
Thank you so much, Habiba. I never realized how algebra and percentage could help me navigate my finances like this.
Remember, math isn't just in a classroom, but it's a tool of life.
How am I supposed to add up all these numbers? There's got to be an easier way.
Is it an easy way? I got some tricks for you. Meet the power of Sigma.
Sigma? What's that?
It's a shortcut for adding up a sequence of numbers. With these Sigma notations, we can use this symbol to add up all the term of numbers. And voila! You don't have to add up one by one. Now we need to plus everything.
So you're saying I don't have to add up one by one?
Exactly! You know this symbol that you can add some limit for the upper and limit the lower and some equations. And then you're done. Just cut out if following the formula and the limitations.
So let's try one. This is the symbol of the sigma notations. So in the upper limits, we can put the limit of the number that we want, and this little I is for our starting number. So we can choose 1. So this means that we can add up from 1 to 5. Because we start with 1 and ends with 5. So 1 plus 2, 3, and then we can got 15.
Okay, let me try my question. So, the question is, evaluate the sum given by this notation. Let's break this down. So, for the first step is to understand what the sigma notation tell us. So, from this notation, we can tell we have to add up the expression of 2x plus 3 for each integer value of x, which is 1 until 5. So the next step is to substitute each value of x into the expression. So when x is equal to 1, the value of the expression is 5. When x is equal to 2, the value of the expression is 7. When x is equal to 3, the value of the expression is 9. When x is equal to 4, the value of the expression is 11. And when x is equal to 5, the value of the expression is 30. So the result that we get is 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. So we have to add up all these results together, which means 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13, which will get the final result of 45. And don't forget that the answer must be written in the form of notation.
Wow, that was fast.
That is what a sigma notation for you. So, you're ready to sum it all up.
Thank you, Sigma Master.
Anytime.
Haram. Haram alert.
This kind of symbol.
Thank you so much, Habiba. I never realized how algebra and percentage could help me navigate my finances like this.
Remember, math is not just in classroom.
Thank you so much, Habiba. I never realized how algebra and percentage could help navigate Candid.
Yeah.
Ada seorang masuk ICU bagi lecture. Sudah, aku punya terkejut. Aku pun nak.
Dah.